everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually hide date and time on your iPhone lock screen. So it is very basic. What you need to do is just swipe from the left corner here and a screen will like this will come up. Don't swipe from the right corner, it will show you a menu like this, but swipe from the left corner here, just swipe it down and a screen will like this. You need to keep hold it for a second or two, just like this, and a screen like this will come up. As you can see that there's a customize option. You can also add different wallpapers or themes into your lock screen or home screen from here, but what you need to do is, as for now we are just hiding or editing our lock screen interface. Here is option customize, just tap on it and two screens will come up like this, lock screen and home screen. What we need at the moment is lock screen. Just tap on it and from here you can actually edit, hide or delete or add the different things like time and multiple things from your panel, like weather. For example, I can add a widget like I can add many other widgets like clock, calendar, Facebook thing, or Gmail or Instagram, even weather. So from here I can actually hide, delete or do multiple things from my lock screen. I hope this will help you out and you can do the rest of the things. If you still have any other question, just let me know, and I hope this video helped you out. Keep supporting us. Until next video, bye bye.